Hey, this is Greg from Big Bay Mornings on 99.7 Now, and I'm here with our resident certified plastic surgeon, Dr. Bay. Hey, Dr. Bay.
Hey, Greg.
You look like you just got out of surgery. What you been doing today?
I just dress up in scrubs so people think I'm a doctor.
That's good. Well, I hope you are a doctor because you have you do one of the most popular procedures out there right now. It's a mommy makeover, but I hear that phrase all the time, but I
Mhm.
don't quite know everything that's going on during a mommy makeover.
Yeah, every doctor maybe has a little bit different definition of a mommy makeover, but I'll definitely try to explain it what I think is kind of the common denominator for all doctors. And a mommy makeover just includes making you over, getting you back to your pre-pregnancy state. And so that always includes, at a minimum, something to reshape the breast and to reshape the abdomen. Two things that are obviously affected by breastfeeding and pregnancy and everything. So a mommy makeover, you can be pretty confident it involves a breast procedure and a tummy tuck. And just to clarify, a tummy tuck is when we remove excess skin, but also we tighten up the abdominal wall because it's something called a rectus diastasis, where the abdominal wall stretches out from pregnancy, and we reposition the belly button after removing the excess skin and the stretch mark. So that's the tummy tuck. With the breast procedure, it could either be a breast lift, where we just remove excess skin to kind of lift the breast to get rid of, if they're like looking pendulous from having by breastfeeding, we can
Love
lift the
that
breast by
word,
removing it.
pendulous.
Isn't that a great word? I try to use it in every conversation. But we remove the excess skin to lift the breast at the very minimum. Or if somebody doesn't have really droopy breasts, but they're deflated, then we can just put in implants. And if they have a combination of droopiness and deflation, then we can do a breast lift with implants. And the way I try to explain this to make it a little easier to remember for patients is that we talk about a mommy makeover, but then we talk about a type 1, 2, or 3. So mommy makeover, breast procedure, tummy tuck. Type 1 is just a breast lift. Type 2 is a breast augmentation where we put in implants. And type 3 is a breast lift with implants. So the types just kind of help discern what breast procedure we're doing. But hopefully that makes sense to the patient. But yeah, mommy makeover, great procedure. We can do all those procedures, the breast procedure, the tummy tuck, all in one operation.
And the nice thing about that is if you get several procedures at once, you can do the recovery all at once and you're not having to recover several different times.
It's true. I mean, because I know people are worried about, like, oh, if I do the breast and the tummy tuck all at the same time, am I going to be in too much pain? But the truth is, if you get the tummy tuck, you might as well get the breast procedure, because the most of the discomfort or pain is going to be from the tummy tuck. You'll have some like abdominal cramping where we tighten up the abdominal wall, and the breast procedure is maybe, yes, more painful, but within a couple days, you're going to be so happy you did them together, because if you do them separately, then you have two recoveries, and it's more expensive when you do them separately because we can save a little bit of time by combining them.
Save
So
the money,
definitely combining is the way to go.
yeah, save the money, save the pain, save the recovery. And my last question is, I don't actually have to give birth to have a mommy makeover, do I?
No, that's a really good point. If for whatever reason you've lost some weight, maybe you've lost about 20 pounds, you had a gastric bypass, something like that, surgical weight loss, medical weight loss, you're just eating better and dieting and working out. If you've lost some fat and your abdomen is looking a little deflated, your breasts are looking a little deflated, then yes, you can do a mommy makeover without having kids. The other thing is we also can combine a Brazilian butt lift with a mommy makeover,
Oh, all
because just the way
right.
the breasts deflate, the butt can deflate, and we can take fat from your whole torso, liposuction, and inject that into the butt. We call that a mommy makeover deluxe. That's what I was saying
All
about how,
right.
yeah, every doctor has their different definitions of mommy makeover. And so that's kind of our made up term, as a mommy makeover deluxe, which includes breast procedure, tummy tuck, and then Brazilian butt lift.
The
So now you know
deluxe.
everything you need to know.
The deluxe is with sour cream because it always goes to the booty. All right. Thanks, Dr.
Exactly
Bay.
right. My pleasure.